All right, guys. So. What I have here are the meal planners. Okay, Erin Condren Meal Planners are something that I've been using for quite some time. This is probably maybe my fourth or fifth one that I have basically almost completed. I think we have 2 weeks left. Yep, there we go. So this is the newer version. This is the older version. I picked up the older version, I think like 3 of them in a sale that they were having not all that long ago. And I did that because I believe that they are relatively the same. I didn't notice any differences when I had purchased them and when the new one came out. I think it's just an updated version on the website. I believe this one is called Teal. I don't even know if this one's there. I haven't looked because I don't need them. As you can see, this has 28 weekly planning spreads. That's 7 months, guys. Give or take a 5-week week or whatever, but it's about 7 months. Your shopping list, meal prep strategy boxes, recipe logs, dinner party planning spreads, conversion and baking charts, and an illustrative metallic sticker sheet. This is the petite size. They both are the same size. And what I have done, I've taken one of those glitter protective sleeves and slid that bad boy right over it because I bring it everywhere and it goes everywhere. I also put some stickers on here. This is not normally what it looks like. These stickers are the ones that come in the back. I don't know if they're still there. Not that that matters. I don't really use stickers in this planner. It's kind of silly, but I do have the sheet back there. And I do stuff receipts back here for my purchases, okay? Because it has the nifty folder. So I'm just going to take this one and set it off to the side real quick because the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to show you how I use my meal planner, okay? So like I said, I put the glitter sleeve on because this thing will get used, abused, beat up if it isn't a little bit protected. I mean, you can see there's like liquid marks there. It gets folded back even, okay? So I am not gentle with this thing. I don't care. I just wrote my name in it because it only lasts me for about 7 weeks. So here is the first page. This one is December. Like I said, guys, this is my last meal plan or like setup, and this is July. So yes, the facts are there. It does last that long. All right. So I don't really care for the fact that it starts on a Sunday. I would like to see it go Monday to Sunday just simply because that's how I work, but it doesn't ruin anything for me. So as you can see, there are some days where there's nothing here, but I shopped for it last week. I don't know what happened. I don't remember, but for some reason I wrote Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and I shopped for this the week before. I don't know what happened. I can't help you with that. Check it out. All right, so what I tend to do is now that I've really got my groove with this thing, because what I came to find out is this is not for me. This is for my full-on family. Okay, so the fact that I have coffee and fasting here for me, it doesn't matter. My meals don't go in here like my family's meals. That's what happens. My family's meals go in here. And I was starting to struggle with going back and forth with my meal plans and their meal plans. And that's why a lot of this is blank, because I don't plan out their breakfast and lunches. I don't care. That would stress me out so badly. I wouldn't have to worry about meal planning because I'd be so stressed I would lose weight. Okay. So what I started to do, who knows what happened here. This is funny though. Stuffed shells, pork loin, tacos, fend for yourselves, and then that's it. Like the end of the world just happened. All right. So what I started to do was, when I get to a page, there we go. All right. Captain Crunch, cinnamon sticks and bites, French toast sticks, pancakes, eggs, bagels. What I started to do for my family, because I have a crap ton of people in this house, is I just started to list what there is for breakfast. Joey might have that. Bella will have that. Then the next day, Bella hates that and she'll have this. And then Joey wants this, but then he wants this one. I don't care. There's enough for all of you. Have fun. Lunch, same thing. We have more than enough food in this house for lunch. This is what we have. This is what they want. So I make sure that we have those. And if I don't have it, it goes over on the list. Okay? Like cinnamon sticks, we needed them. French toast sticks, bagel thins. See what I mean? Now this is what I actually plan here. I don't know why I outline these in yellow. No clue. God knows why I do the things I do. But that's how that works. I stopped tracking my meals here because I tend to go here and here with that. So that's a whole nother animal because we're not going through the wellness logs right now. I did do a comparison between them, which you can find right here in the cards above. If you click that, it will take you to my review / comparison of these two animals because you have a wellness log and a wellness log. This one is obviously not coiled. This one is coiled. This one is weekly and this one is more daily. So there's differences. So check that out if you're interested. I will be doing another video on how I use those in my life as well. But you're just going to have to wait for that. So I see what I mean? Like, I know breakfast is good. Clearly Sunday, nobody needed to eat and Saturday either. But I have also been transitioning into only shopping online. So it gets a little dicey sometimes, but I've figured it out. We're back. We're back to working it out. So what I tend to do now is writing the meals here and coming over. So this is my everyday list right here. This is the things that I know that I need because I need them. And as you can see, so here. So this is this week, and I've already started to put some things in for the next week. So this is my running list. Now over here, I will take my ingredients right out of the gate. That's what I try to do. It's definitely on this one. So this is things I need, and this is chicken, peppers, pineapple, and Hawaiian sauce for our kebabs. Then tacos, ground beef, lettuce, taco seasoning. Then ham, and salsa. Ham, frozen peas, penne. Tuscan chicken needs spinach, red peppers, cream. See what I mean? So this is a running list that I can just keep going with. And this is when I do finally sit down to do my meals. This is where I put that stuff. Because this stuff is, I can't not have this. And this is stuff that we just need. Staples, if you will. This is where I tend to put things that are not food because I may have to shop around for them, potentially. And then if I don't fill it up, I'll kind of write some notes here like leftovers or make egg salad, just some meal prep kind of things. So I hope that helps you with the beginnings of this. Now, keep in mind, the coolest thing for me is to be able to look back and be like, okay, so when was the last time I bought ketchup? Do we need ketchup? When did I buy ketchup? Or when did I buy eggs? Did we just have sweet potato fries? When's the last time we had the linguine? See what I mean? And it's kind of nice because you can look back on and say, oh, well, no wonder they're not eating the ramen. We've had it for like the last 18 months. Or I need ketchup. When's the last time I bought ketchup? Oh, it was right here. In 2 weeks ago. We shouldn't need ketchup anymore. So I'm saying that because oftentimes I will meal prep from my bed at 11 o'clock at night. Okay, so the last thing I want to do is get up and have to go look. Which brings me to the back sections. Now, in the past, I've utilized these a lot more, and I truly, truly mean that. I don't know where my other one is, my last one, but when I say I've utilized it a lot more, it's because this is a dinner party meal plan, and it really, truly does help when you're having a get-together. Now, we're talking about December. This is pandemic time. We weren't having dinner parties. So as much as this is blank, it is only because of the time of our lives where we weren't having dinner parties. I truly use these. Now I gotta find it. All right, so here's my last one. Check it out. Coupons. I took a page and I was doing keto. I was trying it. And I just put down all the snacks and stuff, like what people had for breakfast, lunch, and dinner so that I would have ideas. Yes. Proteins, low carb veggies, see what I mean? Like there's a spot for everything in here. You just have to modify. But check it out. This was Easter, okay? Had my drinks, appetizers. I really, truly used this. It was awesome to know who was bringing something, okay? My cooking schedule. I really, really use these. It is awesome, okay? Look, these are who was invited and what they were bringing. So, Christmas brunch. Yep. So I took this section. This is the price tracker. And I took it and I didn't use it right away. So that's why you're looking at a page that's kind of half done. But check it out. I changed it over in this one in a big way. And it just, these are the recipes, these are the things that we've been eating. And that whenever I come across something new, I pop it in here because it gives me inspiration for meals, because sometimes I don't know what to make. So these are what I make on the grill because it's really hot in my house and we need to eat on the grill a lot more than I would like. And then this is where we like to pop recipes. Now, I do typically use this a lot more. I feel like maybe because I had written some down in here, I forgot to write them in the other one. But this was a huge help. Do you know why? Because I didn't have to get up or look up a recipe to see if I had everything for it. Okay, this one's huge. This one, like I'm gonna set up this one maybe when we're done here, because I have had to look up this recipe so many times and I was stupid about it. But make these things what you want them to be. Just because this is a dinner party meal page doesn't mean that it has to host that. I mean, we don't all have dinner parties, so make it something that you want. Check it out. I took it and, whoa. I put a bunch of these recipe things here for the keto. Look, all the proteins, all the low carbs. Like I just took this page and made it what I wanted it to be. So don't get all like stuck in your sections because there's just no need to. But like I said, this part's huge. Your most common recipes or your ingredient heavy recipes go in here so that you can quick look and see what you need. You don't necessarily have to have this whole thing in there, but to have the ingredients so that I can make a meal plan and a shopping list is really the best part. So you have your stickers. If you're shopping, keep your receipts back here because then you'll have a general idea of how much things cost and you can budget. I really suck at that, but that helps now that I'm shopping online because I can just look everything up. Yeah, I am one of those people who the pandemic has made me an online grocery shopper, and I don't regret it a bit because I don't like to grocery shop with other people. All right, guys, so hopefully that has shown you and helped you how I tend to use this. So hopefully this has given you an insight on how I use my meal planner, my petite meal planner. The one thing I didn't mention was how it helps me also piggyback recipes. So I know that if I needed heavy cream for beef stroganoff, a great thing to do would to be buy the bigger container of it and have Tuscan chicken the next week, or homemade macaroni and cheese, something that I know I can use that particular ingredient twice. If I'm buying vegetables and I can buy a bunch more for a lower price, I'm gonna make sure that I like take a pencil and jot down the next week, like maybe we should have like vegetable lasagna, something like that. Yeah, so I also write the price in there when we were shopping in a store. So those kinds of things. Yeah, check it out. I mean, I really, except for this week, do use this bad boy, okay? So if you're interested in checking out how I then meal plan and stuff with these bad boys, that's a whole new video, and you're gonna have to stick around for that one. And I hope that you enjoy And if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, let's have a great day. Thanks for stopping by. Please, if you're not already subscribed, do it. Get down there and smash that like button. As always, comments, questions, anything below, and I will hook you up, help you out, do what I can. The wellness series is in full effect. Episode 1, which is just really a stern talking to, has hit the shelves, and I'd love for you to check it out. It is linked right here. But guys, have a great freaking day, all right? Be well. Our wellness is so important, and it's not just the body, it's the mind too. So make good choices. Be good people. Peace.